Today another great day, and right now I'm not in Seattle. Right now I'm about 1.5 hour drive from Seattle, and this is one of the biggest Slavic events when people get together for competition, to play soccer, play volleyball, play different sports, and they compete and just enjoy the beautiful weather and enjoy the summer. So we have a lot of kids, we have a lot of different families. It's an amazing place to be. I will show you around, so stay tuned and you'll see what's happening here, you'll see our competitions, and I hope you enjoy. Hey Sergey, how are you? What is Drowa? What is this?
It's a family event, man. It's contests, competitions for the entire family, artistic contests, athletic contests, you know, treasure hunt, full life-size football. We're gonna do archery tag this year. It's awesome. 3 days under the blue sky or maybe cloudy sky. It's fantastic. You gotta join us.
It is awesome. It's a great place to be. So we have how many people this year?
I don't know, maybe 800, 1,000.
8,000 people get to the campground and camp.
Yeah, it's the biggest. I think it's the biggest event for the Russian-speaking community in the state of Washington.
Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you.
Молодцы! 007!
Ура!
Ура! Молодцы! Вот так!
What do you guys think about Drowa? Do you guys like it, Drowa?
No.
Drowa is the way to spend with your friends from all over the country, sometimes from outside of the country, and raise the kids together.
Yes, and as we retire, these are our future right here. This is our future right there. These are members that are going to take over one day.
Yeah, and then you go
Make us proud.
Yes.
We come to
007!
007!
007!
Добрый вечер, дамы и господа. Приглашаю вас на ежегодный 12-летний бал.
Всех ждем Drowa в следующем году!
Подожди, ты будешь подумать, ты подумаешь,
Юля, скажи, что для тебя Drowa?
Для меня это отличное мероприятие. Я всегда его жду, потому что это возможность объединиться с командой, в общем, почувствовать командный дух, ну и просто повеселиться в стиле КВН и всего остального, в общем.
Что для тебя Drowa?
Это прежде всего встречи с друзьями, новые знакомства, классные впечатления и отличное летнее настроение.
What is for you Drowa, guys?
Well, Drowa for us is, for me at least, it's 2 months without seeing my wife, the preparation part of it. But once we get to it, it's awesome. You know, it's a gathering with a whole bunch of friends and family, having a good time, drinking, and telling stories and competing and trying to go for the gold.
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you.
Ой, Drowa это очень здорово. Это встречаешься с людьми, которых ты знаешь, и слава богу, сейчас у нас перестали такие жесткие соревнования. Все любят друг друга, все друг друга знают, все друг другу рады. Это очень классно встретиться с друзьями и в чем-то посоревноваться даже.
Спасибо, Антон. Ну, на что для тебя Drowa?
Это совершенно классно. Мы начали с первого дня, с первого года. И уже 12-й раз совершенно потрясающе. Ты чувствуешь себя опять молодым.
Hello, how are you? What do you think about Drowa?
I love Drowa. I've been waiting for Drowa the entire year. This is my year number 6, And I think it's an amazing opportunity for friends to get together, not only within your team, but also make friends outside of your camp, because there's so many people here, and it's a really a bonding agent, Russian-speaking community here.
Yeah, thank you so much. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Are you gonna come next year?
Yeah.